Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. I think this is the place where we stopped yesterday. Yesterday we stopped here. We stopped yesterday here. We stopped yesterday here. Yeah, can we go ahead? Hope all the people came. Hope all the people came. Yeah, good evening. Good evening, Ayan. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Let's come. I hope all the people came. Yash is saying I am beginner. Yeah, Yash, it is a C programming. Yash, it is the C programming. It is the C programming. Yeah, let me start now. Let me start today's class. Yeah, today's class is just started now. Today's class is just started now. So I'm right. I'm writing the first problem of today's class. I am writing first problem of today's class. Careful everyone. First problem of today's class I'm writing. Int I is equal to 5, comma, j is equal to 10. Int I is equal to 5, j is equal to 10. Mean f of ampersand I ampersand j. Printf I comma j. End of the main. Now f function, f of into star p into star q. P is equal to q, star q is equal to 7, star p is equal to 9, q is equal to p. Yeah, this is the program. So can you try yourself? What is the output of this program? I'm expecting answer. Let's see what will happen. Let us assume last statement is not there. Let us assume last statement is not there. Last statement is not there. Can you go ahead? Don't sit idle. Please try. In one of your previous paper, this question is given for. In one of your previous paper, this question is given for. This question is given for. Right? In the previous paper, this question is given for, I think, in my opinion, 2 marks. It is given for 2 marks. Can you try? Try once. Everyone I have to try. If you don't want to try, please leave the class. You don't want to try, please leave the class. If anyone don't want to try, please leave the class. I am very happy when you don't try. What is the use of sitting here? Why are you sitting here? Why are you listening this class when you don't want to try? You don't want to try, then why are you listening this class? Please try and learn. Try and learn. If you try, you will learn. If you try, you will learn. Or one more thing is, if you try, you may be close to learning. When you try, you may learn. That is one thing. Or you may be close to learning. If you don't try, it's never possible. Make it fast. What is the output of this program? Yeah, let me give answer. I think you tried, maybe I'm giving the answer. Everyone see this problem. If you can handle most of the problems, you can do this problem. If you can handle most of the problems, you can do. So I'm starting. First, compile this program. Compile. Global variable memory will allocate. So I value 5, J value 10. It is 1000. It is 2000. When you compile for global variable, memory will allocate. Okay. Now let's run the program. I'm running the program. Program running will start from main. Running will start from main. Go to the main. In the main, if you observe, there are two statements are there, 1 or 2. In the main, there are only two statements, 1 and 2. 1 over, then I will go to 2. Let's see the 1. 1 is f of ampersand I, f of ampersand I, ampersand j. So you are calling the f function by passing parameter ampersand I, ampersand j. Everyone know. I means, right, variable means inside. I means 5. Ampersand I means, right, I address 1000. But interesting thing is, in the main program, there is no local variable I and j. In the main program, there is no local variable I and j. Then what is the meaning of I in the main program? Everyone know. I and j, no local. I and j, no local. But you are using I and j. It is a scope problem. Static scoping, global variable. Dynamic scoping, previous. Before main, who is the previous? Global only. So in the static scoping also, right, global variable only. In the dynamic scoping also, almost global only. What is the reason? Before main, global only there. In the main itself, if you don't know from where it came, dynamic scoping, go previous. Previous means what? I think before main, previous is only global. So anyhow, I want to say to all of you one thing. Whenever nothing is mentioned, by default, static scoping. Whenever nothing is mentioned, by default, static scoping. Now see the answer, first one. F of ampersand I, ampersand j. I and j you are using. No local, but still you are using. It is a scope problem. It is a scope problem. Static scoping, global variable. So what is the ampersand I? Right? Remember, I going means I inside person is going. Ampersand I going means I address going, 1000 going. J address going, 2000 going. So I, right, ampersand I means I address going. Ampersand J means J address is going. So 1000 is came here. 2000 came here. Remember everyone. Right, data is not coming. Address is coming. Remember, address you cannot store in the normal variable. Address will be stored by only pointer variable. So that is the reason. Addresses are coming. To store address, pointer variable required. That is the reason at the receiver side, two pointer variables are created. Int star p. P memory will be allocated. So right, next one, int star q. Q also memory will be created. Please let me know one important question to all of you. What will be the p size? What will be the q size? Those people who are watching this class, please let me know what is the size of P, what is the size of Q. I'm expecting answer from all of you. From all of you, I am expecting. Right? What is the size of P? What is the size of Q? Remember, you didn't pass the values. You passed the addresses. You passed the addresses. To store addresses, you have to create pointer variable. Pointer variable. Pointer variable. What is the answer? Inside P, you are storing address 8 bytes. Inside Q, you are storing address 8 bytes. Are you getting? You created the P and Q to store address. To store address, 8 bytes required. Am I right or not? To store address, we need 8 bytes. Yes or no? Now, again, I want to ask you. Again, I want to ask you. On the board till now, how many variables? On the board till now, how many variables? Everyone have to type. On the board till now, how many variables? 4 variables. What are those? I, J, P, Q. On the board till now, how many variables? 4 variables. What are the names? I, J, P, Q. Next one. Variable means what? Inside. Variable means not value. Variable means inside. So what is the print I? Right? Variable means inside. Print I 5. Print J 10. Next one. What is the print P? So inside P, if you observe, 1000 is came. Remember, inside P, you are storing address. I think size of P is 8 bytes. Inside Q, you are storing 2000. Size of Q is 8 bytes. 2 people are normal variable, 2 people are pointer variable. Pointer variable sizes are 8 bytes. Because the 2 are a data variable, I and J, their sizes are 2 bytes. So I am repeating the entire story one more time. On the board, as of now, 4 variables are available. Those are I, J, P, Q. Next one, print I, J, P, Q. Remember, variable means inside. I, J, I think 5, 10. P, Q, 1000, 2000. And one more, inside I and J, you are storing the data, integer data, 2 bytes. Inside P and Q, you are storing address storing 8 bytes. I hope everyone is comfortable till now. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Please let me know if anyone having any objection. So there are 4 variables, everything is ready. And one more thing, from main program, you are not sending the values, you are sending addresses. Remember, from the main program, you are not sending values, you are sending addresses. Addresses will be received by pointer variable. Addresses will be received by pointer variable. Remember, addresses are going received by pointer variable. I will give one nice example also, so that you will remember many days. Remember everyone. I am giving a nice example also, so that you will remember. So addresses are going received by pointer variable. Special people are going received by special people. And one more thing I want to say to you. Indian Prime Minister going to US. Right, as part of the country discussions are going on. Indian Prime Minister going to US. Remember, at the US airport, definitely Prime Minister equivalent person should come. Prime Minister is going from India at the US airport, received by Prime Minister equivalent person. Whether he like him or not doesn't matter. It is a protocol. This is called protocol. Prime Minister will be received by Prime Minister. Education Minister received by Education Minister. And one more, with Prime Minister, 5, right? Including Prime Minister, 5 people are going. At the receiving end, including Prime Minister, 5 more, right? Including Prime Minister, 5 people should wait. How many people are going from the main program? Those many people should wait at the receiver end. And one more, not only number of people are equal. See this one, from the main program, when you call the F function, 2 people are going at the receiver, you can check. 2 people are waiting. And one more, from the main program, F function is called. 2 people going, they are pointer, they are addresses. Addresses are going, received by pointers. Addresses cannot be received by normal people. Suppose assume that Prime Minister is going to the US. At the US airport, US Prime Minister expected. If at all someone else will come, I think serious issue. Modi ji went to the US, right? And he is expected at the US airport, right? US President or US Prime Minister, equivalent person. Suppose assume that US Prime Minister is not came, some less person came. US Prime Minister PA came. US Prime Minister is not came. US Prime Minister PA came. Definitely, Modi ji may not go, right? May not get down from the flight. He got to know US Prime Minister is not came, means his equivalent person is not came, his PA came. Definitely, he may not get down, right? He will go back. So because protocol problem, there is a protocol problem. Until remember everyone, until protocol is clear, you don't get down. That is the meaning of protocol. Whether you like or not, you have to accept protocol. So listen everyone, from main program, 2 people are going, receiving side, 2 people should be there. From the main program, addresses are going at the receiver side, pointer should wait. So addresses are going received by normal people. It is a protocol problem. It is a protocol problem. What is the reason? Addresses will be stored in the 8 bytes. Normal people means maybe 2 bytes. How can I store 8 bytes in the 2 bytes? Problem. It is a protocol problem. Prime Minister will be received by Prime Minister only. 2 people received by 2 people. Remember everyone. In the main program, these I and J, those are known as right. Those are known as actual parameter. At the receiving side, right, P and Q, those are known as formal parameter. So I and J, whoever is going, they are actual parameter. P and Q, who is receiving, they are formal parameter. Next one, 2 actual parameters are going, 2 formal parameters are receiving. Next one, 2 addresses are going, received by 2 pointer. Addresses cannot be received by normal person. If normal person receiving, problem will come. Prime Minister received by normal person. It is a serious issue. It is a protocol problem. Now again I am repeating lastly, right? On this board till now there are 4 variables. IJ, PQ. Variable means inside. Print IJ, 5, 10 will be printed. Print PQ, 1000, 2000 will be printed. Okay, I am thinking that everything is absolutely fine. Variable means inside, you remember. Let's start. So I think in the main program, first line purpose, I went to the F function. In the F function, int star p, memory created. Because it is a pointer variable, 8 bytes of memory allocated. Int star q, again memory created. Because it is a pointer variable, 8 bytes of memory. Now see the answer. Variable means inside. P 1000, Q 2000. Now observe here. So first line. Observe the first line. So 1000 is replaced by 2000. 1000 replaced by 2000. P means what? 1000. 1000 replaced by 2000. Okay. First line over. Can you see the second line? Can you see the second line? Now Q contain 2000. Q 2000. Star 2000. The value inside 2000. I think 10. The value inside 2010. Replaced by 7. It is replaced by 7. Second line also over. Can you go to the third line? What is P? P as of now 2000. What is star 2000? The value inside 2000. I think 7 there. Replaced by 9. So third line also completed. Now this function is successfully completed. So from which place you came? You came from this place. You will go back. So first line is completed. Now can you see the second line? Printf ij. I and J, no local. So it is a scope problem, static scoping, global variable. I is 5 only, J is 9. So I think it's going to be 5, 9 will be printed. Output is going to be 5 and 9 will be printed. I hope everyone got it. In examination, small tricks he will play. In examination, he will play small tricks he will play. In exam, he will play very small tricks, small tricks. I hope everyone got it. Answer is 5, 9. Small trick he played. He played the small trick. I didn't change, but J becomes 9. So answer is 5, 9. Answer is 5, 9. Let me know anyone having any problem. Let me know anyone having any problem. Yes, if at all it is int p, int q, it may not work. It may not work. It may not work because addresses which are coming, they may be need 8 bytes. Right? Int p means you created only 2 bytes. How can you store 8 bytes in 2 bytes? But remember, however, remember system to system, operating system to operating system, right? So sizes of address will be keep on changing, right? Sizes of address keep on changing. In your computer, more memory, then address size will be more. In my computer, less memory there, address size will be less. It will keep on change. It will keep on change. But remember, sometimes it may work. Most of the time, it may not work. When can I say it is a correct statement? Is always should work. It's very simple here. Addresses are going. How can you store in the normal variable? You could have store in the pointer variable. Addresses are going. How can you store in the normal variable? You could have store in the pointer variable. Suppose if you don't store, right? Maybe sometimes may work, sometimes may not work. If you want to say it is a correct code, it should work every time. If it is a wrong code, it may work, may not work. It may work, may not work. If you okay, I can move to the next problem. Can I move? Can I move? Today's class, first problem done. Today's class, first problem done. Can we move? Yeah, let's take the next problem. You really done the good work. You really done the good work. Let's move to the next problem. Let's move to the next problem. Main int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to a, printf percentage d a star b. Yeah, what is the output? It's a very simple program. It's a very simple program. Can you say output? It's a very simple program. Can you say output? Very simple program. Yesterday we done. We done this problem yesterday. We done this problem yesterday. Yesterday itself we done. We done this problem yesterday. We done this problem in the yesterday. Yeah, now see this one. A10. Address 1000. Next one. B 2000. B contain address of A 1000. Now, so what is the meaning of variable inside? A is 10. What is the B? B is 1000. Remember star B. There is a dilemma. This star is a multiplication or a pointer. There is a dilemma. This star is a multiplication or a pointer. There is a dilemma. Can anyone guess? Star is a multiplication or a pointer? Can anyone guess? Star is a multiplication or a pointer? Please give answer, everyone. Star is a multiplication or a pointer? Beside B, there is a star. Beside B, there is a star. Now, my question here is, star is a multiplication or a pointer? Star is a multiplication or a pointer. We have to right find out first. What is the answer? Very simple. Star is a pointer. What is the reason? Before only you declared B is a pointer variable. So whenever star is there, sorry for that. Sorry, my intention is a little bit wrong. Here ampersand A, here star. That is my intention. So I'm really sorry. I changed also. So B is a pointer variable. Whenever beside B there is a star operator, dilemma, is it multiplication or pointer? But because of beside B there is a star operator already, so B already pointer. B simply say that this star is a pointer. So I think B 1000 star 1010. Now it became right. A is 10, right? Star B also 10. In between no operator. In between no operator there. So I think it is an invalid expression. It is an invalid expression. It is an invalid expression. Syntax error. It is an invalid expression. Syntax error, because between two operands there is no operator. Between two operands there is no operator. Some people are saying, how can you say that star is a pointer? Because B is a pointer. So B will take suddenly that star operator as a pointer. That is the reason C language is called as context to sensitive language. Depending upon context, it will behave. So depending upon context to one time multiplication. Right? Sometimes it is a pointer. That is the reason the context to sensitive language. C language is context to sensitive language. C language is a context to sensitive language. Depending upon context, it will change. Depending upon the context, it will change. Into A is equal to 10. In star B is equal to ampersand A star B. A 10, B 1000, star B. Star B. Is it pointer or multiplication? It's a pointer only because B is a pointer. Because B is a pointer. So B 1000, star 1000 is 10. 10 followed by 10, there is no operator in between. So it is invalid expression, syntax error. And sometimes star is a multiplication, sometimes star is a pointer, depending upon context. So C language is a context to sensitive language. C language is a context to sensitive language. I feel everyone is comfortable here also. Here also you are comfortable. You know this only for namesake item. Only for namesake item. Right? Let's move to next. Let's move to next. Only for namesake item. Yeah. Be careful. Be careful. This may be the very interesting problem. Example. Right? So be careful, everyone. Example. Main int A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6. Int star P is equal to ampersand A, star P is equal to ampersand A, star Q. Star P is equal to 20, Q is equal to ampersand P. F of A comma ampersand B. Star Q is equal to ampersand B. Star P is equal to 30. Printf percentage D. Printf percentage D. One more percentage D, 2 percentage Ds. A comma B. This is the main program, right? F function called int x, int star P. Star P is equal to x. X is equal to 10. Can you go ahead? This problem answer, if you can give, right, most probably you are okay. This problem answer, if you can give, most probably you are okay. Can you go ahead? Don't afraid for small things. Just try your opinion. Whatever will happen, will happen. Just try your opinion. Just try your opinion. You no need to bother anything. If you are doing good work, God will see you. If you are doing good work, God will automatically will see. Everyone try. This problem you can handle, means you can handle most of the things. Don't think little bit also negatively. If you are doing good work, God will see you. Alright, from the top, God is observing you. God is seeing from top. It is his responsibility. It is his responsibility to make you all right. It is his responsibility. You no need to bother. Are you doing good work? Do. That's it. If you are doing good work, he will protect you. Otherwise, what is the meaning of God here? You are doing good work, still nothing happening. Then what is the meaning of God? He will take care. God will take care. Can you go ahead? Just to do your work. Don't think this and that. Just to do your work. Just you check yourself only one thing. Am I doing good work? Yes. Then I think it is a responsibility of the God, right, to take care further. You just to do your work. Go one by one line. Go one by one line. So program execution will start from main. Program execution will start from main. Program execution will start from main. Everyone, if you are not trying, you are the loser. This is the primary quality of loser. Sir, how can I recognize I am a loser or not? Very simple. You are not trying, you are a loser. Ready, sir, I don't know how to verify I am a loser or not. Very simple, yeah. Very simple. You are not trying anything, you are loser. Sir, how can you say that I am in the positive direction? How can you say that I am going to be a winner? How can you say? Are you trying? Are you trying? Then you are the winner. If you are trying, mostly you are the winner. Or you may be close to that. If you are trying, mostly you are going to be win immediately or maybe after some time. But you have the qualification of almost winner. If you are not trying, gone. You are not trying means you are gone. Can we go ahead? Let's see how many people are given answer. What is the answer of this problem? What is the answer of this problem? What is the answer of this problem? Answer is 30-20. Let's see. Let's see. Is it 30-20 or not? We can see. Answer is, someone is saying 30-20. Is it right or wrong? Let me check. I'm checking, everyone see. I'm checking, everyone see. Everyone see. I'm checking, everyone see. So before going to give this answer, I want to say one small thing. Please listen. Please listen. I want to say one small thing. Please listen. Let us assume. Everyone observe here. Let us assume to live peacefully on this earth. Let us assume to live peacefully on this earth. Every day, right? Work one required. On this earth to live peacefully. Every day you need to do work one. Then what happened is, right? To live peacefully on this earth, every day you should do work one. What happened is, some people, some students, what they will do is, every day we have to do actually one, but some people are doing 0.9, little less they are doing. Actually, every day to live peacefully, work one required. But some people are little lazy. They are doing work, but they are doing little less. 0.9 they are doing. What some people are doing is, everyone observe. What some people are doing is every day little more they are doing. Actually one required, actually to live peacefully, actually one required. Some people are doing every day little less, 0.9, little less. Some people are doing little more. So the people who are doing little less, every day they are doing little less. Every day they are doing little less. If they continue like this one, right? 365 days means almost like 1 year. It is approximately equal to 0. Every day decreasing little bit, every day decreasing little bit, every day decreasing little bit. So the people who are doing every day little bit less, if you see after 365 days, 365 days, little less, every day decreasing little bit, decreasing little bit. After 365 days, if you see almost 0, means he became a loser. Anyhow he is doing, why are you doing every day little less? Yeah, one day little less, okay. Sir, my health is not good. I cannot do today more work. I can do little less. One day, okay, yeah. Right? Every day little less, every day. 1 year you continued like this, it is almost became 0. Now see one more person. Every day little more, every day little more, every day little more. So you done this one, 1.1, 365. So if you see this one, approximately, it is became a very big number. It became a very big number. So you improved a lot. It may be 40, whatever it is. Means you improved 40 times. You improved almost like 40 times. I don't know. If you want, you can calculate. So if even though little bit, right? Even though little bit more, but you are doing continuously. So what I mean to say is consistency is very, very important. Consistency, every day do little more, right? Consistency is very, very important. Consistency is very, very important. Every day little more you do. Some people, what they will do is one day, some students, one day they will study 24 hours they will study. I seen some students, one day they will study 24 hours. One more day they will study 24 hours. 1 week, they will continue every day 24 hours, every day 24 hours, every day 24 hours. 1 week they will do. After 1 week is over, 3 months they will sleep. There is no use. Do every day little more. Do every day little more. If you do every day little more, right, after 1 year, if you observe, you improved yourself a lot. 40 times you improve, and not 40 percentage, 40 times you improve. 40 times you improved. It's not double also. It is not double. 40 times, man. Right? When you say double, I think 2 times. 2 times improved. Right? It is a 40 times improved. So if you keep on doing, every day more than expected, every day more than expected, continue 1 year like that, you are going to reach your destination so easily. So what I mean to say is the consistency is very, very important. Somewhere I seen also, see this one, somewhere I seen also, water drops are keep on falling on the stone. Somewhere I seen this one. See this one? This is a very big stone, right? From the whooper, right? Every day, right? Some water drops are falling. It is a very big stone, right? Every day, right? Maybe I think it is the hills and all. Every day from the hills, right? Little bit of water is falling on this stone. Falling. One day, this stone is broken. One day, this stone is broken. You may say that for water, how it will break? Consistency. Consistently, water is dropping. If you do consistently, even water also can break the stone. Are you getting? If you have consistency, right, with the listen everyone now, consistently if you do, even water also can break the stone. Understand? Right? No need to study 24 hours. Every day, sir, ready, sir, can I study every day 24 hours? Every day 24 hours? Every day 24? Not required. Every day, do little more. Actually, one required. Actually, one required. So do every day little more. Every day little more. At the end of the year, if you observe, you improved a lot. Suppose every day if you decrement little bit, at the end of the year, you decremented a lot. You are almost zero. There is a one student. You will decrease one day little bit. Next day little more, next day little more, next day little more. Is keep on doing 1 year. Finally, you will become a dust. It's almost like dust. Some people are there every day, they will decrease themselves. Every day they will decrease themselves. If you keep on decreasing every day by yourself, at the end of the year, you will become nothing. Every day, if you increase yourself, if you increase your knowledge yourself little more, every day your knowledge incrementing by little bit. Every day your knowledge incrementing by little bit. At the end of the year, 40 times your knowledge will increase. Remember, with consistency, you can beat anyone. Your friend is so knowledgeable. You don't have that much knowledge. Your friend is more knowledgeable. You don't have knowledge. But interesting thing is, every day you are consistently improving. Your friend is not improving. One day you will beat. It is a simple example. See the simple example. Water, right? Water is falling. Water drops. Water drops are falling on stone. It is a stone. It is stone. One day, stone is broken. How it is possible? Consistency is the reason for this. Consistency is the reason for this. With consistency, you can do anything. With consistency, you can do anything. If you don't have consistency, you cannot do anything. If you have consistency, you can achieve anything. Right? Now come here. Now come here now. Now come here now. I want to say consistency is the major reason if anyone became successful. Let's start. What is this program output? Let's start. Compile the program. I think no static variable, no global variables. So I think A will be 5. Program is started running. B will be 6. A address is 1000. B address is 2000. While program is running, right? Running will start from main program. So I started. First line is over. Can you see second line? Can you see second line? Int star p is equal to ampersand. Remember, listen everyone. Declaration, assignment operator. Don't see right side. Declaration, assignment operator. Don't see right side. It will confuse you. Just see left side. Just see left side. Int star p. P is a pointer. 8 bytes of memory allocated. Address is 3000. 3000 onwards, 8 bytes of memory. Inside what is expecting address. So ampersand A address you kept. P expecting inside address. Okay, you are given address. Next one, star q. So q is a double pointer. Remember, inside q you want to keep address. Inside q you want to keep address. You are storing address means this is also 8 bytes. It is a 4000, but until now you didn't kept anything. By default garbage. So second line also over. Remember, till now there are 4 variables are created. A also created, B also created, P also created, Q also created. Variable means inside. So print A 5, print B 6, print P 1000, print Q. You are not given anything, garbage. So until now everything is fine. Variable means inside. Variable means inside. Now see, third line is not a declaration. Remember, third line onwards no declaration here. So no declaration. Can you say what is the P? 1000. What is star 1000? The value inside 1000. The value inside 1000. So 5. This is 5. 5 replaced by 20. Next one. Can you help me now? Q is equal to ampersand P. What is the P? P means this. P means inside. Okay. Ampersand P means P address 3000. 3000 will goes to inside Q. So this. So I think third line also over. Can you see the fourth line? Everyone observe. Can you see the fourth line? So f of a comma ampersand b. A going means a value going. What is the a value? 20 going. A going means a value going. What is the answer? 20 going. Right? Ampersand b. B address 2000. 2000 going. Remember, one person data going, one person address going. Data will be received by data person, which is 2 bytes. Data will be received by data person, which is 2 bytes. Next one, right? Address will be received by pointer. Address will be received by pointer. Right? Pointer means 8 bytes. Address will be received by 8 bytes person, which is internally 3000 will store. The value what is going is 20. So from the main program, two people are going. One is a normal person, right? Received by normal person, which is 2 bytes. Another one is a address going, received by pointer variable 8 bytes. So till now on the board, there are 6 people. A, B, P, Q, X, P. But again, I'm repeating now, right? As of now on the board, there are 6 people. A, B, P, Q, X, P. X is 20. So P is 2000. Sorry, P is 2000 or 3000? 3000. P is 3000. B, right? B address. Sorry for this. B address. What is the B address? 2000. I'm really sorry. It is a 2000. So this is also 2000. Okay, fine. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. So A going. A means what? 20 going. Right? Ampersand B going. Ampersand B means 2000 going. So data will be received by data, which is X. Address will be received by pointer variable. Okay, everything is fine. Now can we see the F function? What is P? Variable means inside 2000. What is star 2000? The value inside 2000. 6. 6 is equal to X. What is the X? 20. Next one. X is equal to 10. Remember, X is a local variable. X is a local variable. X is a local variable. This X replaced by 10. This line also over. This line also over. P is 2000. Star 2000 is 6. Replaced by X. X is 20. Next one. X20. X20 replaced by 10. 20 replaced by 10. So F function is over. Control will come back. So fourth line also completed. Can you see the fifth line? What is Q? What is Q here? So remember, what is Q? Q is 3000. What is star 3000? The value inside 3000. So the value inside 3000 is 1000. Replaced by ampersand B. What is the B address? 2000. This 1000 replaced by 2000. Ampersand B. B address 2000. Next one. Star P. What is the P? 2000. What is star 2000? The value inside 2020 is replaced by 30. So I think sixth line also completed. Can you see the seventh line? Can you see the seventh line? Printf %d a comma b. What is a? What is a? 20. What is b? 30. Answer is 20, 30. A is 20, B is 30. It is an excellent problem. Excellent problem. Excellent problem. If you can give answer for this, if you don't have any doubt, you are perfect. If you don't have any doubt, you are perfect. Assume that in this problem, you don't have any doubt. You are perfect. Yeah, let me know. Ian, let me know. P storing 1000. Where? Yeah, P initially storing 1000, na? So P storing, observe here, ampersand B. P storing ampersand B. What is the B address? 2000. B address what? 2000. So 2000 is going. So 2000. Ampersand B. B address 2000. 2000 going. Fine. Bro, fine. B address, ampersand B. It is not ampersand, it is not ampersand A. It is the ampersand B. Sir, that star P is local to F function. Of course. It is local to F function. True. So P is 2000, star 2000, the value inside 2006 replaced by X 20. But one thing I am try to understand, is it local function, global function, doesn't matter. I have address, using address I can go wherever I want. Some people are asking, sir, from F function, how can you go back and how can you change? If I have your address, I can go anywhere. I have your address. If I say star, I can go there. That is the power of the address. That is the reason, don't give addresses to anyone. If you really want to give, then only give. Otherwise, using address, anyone can access you. You post on the social media, my address is this, anyone can come. Definitely, whoever want to come, they will come. If you post address, right, using that address, anyone can come. So in the F function, P is 2000. In the F function, P is 2000, star 2000, the value inside 2006 is replaced by X, which is 20. Next one, X 20 replaced by 10. Sir, in the main function, star P is equal to 20. What is P? Remember this P. What is P? There are two P's are there, don't confuse. In the main program, P is ampersand A. In the main program, P is ampersand A, which is 1000. P 1000, star 1000, the value inside 1000, 5 is replaced by 20. There are two P's here, they are different. Of course, they are different. Every function having its own local variables. Main function having one P, F function having another P. There is no relation at all. When I come to main, I will use this P. When I go to F function, I will use that P. In the main function P, initially 1000 there. In the F function P, initially 2000 there. Okay? Every function can have its own local variable. Sir, again star P is equal to 30 in main function. Let's check. What is P? 2000. P is 2000. Star 2000. Star 2000. Star 2000. 20 is replaced by 30. Lastly, it is 30. Okay, in the sixth line, it became 30. So lastly, B value 30. Right? Can you see the fifth line? What is Q? Can you see the fifth line? Q is ampersand P. P address is 3000 initially. So what is star Q? Q 3000, star 3000. The value inside 3000, 1000 is replaced by 3000. Is replaced by ampersand B 2000. Yeah, I will check once again. So I will try once again because of you are asking again and again. Right? Maybe in the flow, maybe I done wrong. I don't know. I will check once again. Nothing there. It will take 2 more minutes. Can you see once? Because of you are asking again and again, I will check one time. Right? So if anyone is having any problem, you can see one more time. Ayan, you can see one more time. No need to confuse. Just to see one more time. Yeah, observe now. Observe here. Everyone see. Everyone see here. I'm starting one time. See, one time. Assume that it is a new problem. Assume that it is a new problem. First one, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6. Second one, in star P is equal to ampersand A address 1000. So P contain A address, so 1000. Next one, star Q garbage. Second line also over. Can you see the third line? Can you see the third line? Can you see the third line, everyone? Everyone, can you see the third line? What is the P? 1000. Star 1000, the value inside 1000, 5. Replaced by 20. Next one, what is the Q? Q is equal to ampersand P. Q is equal to ampersand P. What is the P? 3000. P is 1000, okay. Ampersand P 3000. So inside this 3000. Third line over. Can you go to fourth line? A going. What is the A? 20. Ampersand B. What is the ampersand B? 2000. So 20,000 going. 20,000 going. Okay, next one. Can you say what is P? 2000. Star 2000. The value inside 2000. 6 is replaced by X. So 20. Next one. X is equal to 10. This X replaced by 10. So this is over. This is over. Right? Control will go back. So fourth line also over. Till now, be careful. Be comfortable from now onwards. Be comfortable from now onwards. Yeah, until now. So there is no change in the A. A is 20, na? Previously A is 5. As of now, A is 20. Am I right? Yes or no? Previously 5, it changed to 20. It changed to 20. Now it is the current status. Now can you see the fifth statement? Can you see the fifth statement? What is Q? 3000. What is star 3000? The value inside 3000, 1000. The value inside 3000, 1000. This 1000 replaced by ampersand B. What is the B address? 2000. 1000 replaced by 2000. Q is 3000. Star 3000. 1000 is replaced by 2000. Okay, fine. So fifth line also completed. Can you see the sixth line? Can you see the sixth line? What is P? 2000. What is P? 2000. What is star 2000? The value inside 2000, 20, is replaced by 30. So sixth line also completed. Can you go to seventh line? Print A 20. Print B 30. So 20, 30 will be printed. I think same answer, no change. Yeah. Can we move to next one? This problem, if you okay, you can handle anything. If this problem okay, you can handle anything. Let me know if anyone having any confusion. If this problem is okay to you, you are okay with anything. If this problem is okay to you, you are okay with anything. Check once. It's a very, very interesting problem. Very, very interesting problem. Answer is 2030. In that examination, answer is 2020. 2030. Option is B. Second option. Some options also given. Answer is 2030. It's an excellent problem. It is excellent. If anyone say, I know pointer, ask him to solve this problem. If anyone say, I know pointer, ask him to solve this problem. Please ask him to solve this problem. No, I am okay with the pointer. Bhaiya, please solve it. Please solve it. If you cannot solve, take the phone, throw on his face and say, get out. If anyone say, I am so good in pointer, give this problem and ask what is the answer. Please explain. If you can give, well and good. You say, yeah, you are really good. Suppose he cannot give, right? Maybe in your hands at that time phone is there. So throw the phone on his face and say, get out. Okay, fine. I'm thinking you are absolutely comfortable here. Remember, consistency is very, very important. Remember, consistency is very, very important. Actually, to live on this earth, actually work one required. Some people are doing, not some people, most of the people, 90% people, every day they are decreasing. After a few years, they will become almost zero. Right? So almost like 10% people or 5% people, right? Maybe let us assume that 10% people. 10% people every day they are increasing. Every day they are increasing the knowledge, little bit increasing. You no need to study day and night. Every day little bit increase. Every day little bit increase. Every day little bit increase. After 1 year, if you see 40 times you improve. You improved 40 times. But there are some students are there, what they will do is every day they don't increase, they don't decrease also. Every day one, every day one, every day one. There are some students, they don't increase also, they don't decrease also. Every day one, every day one, every day one. Right? After 365 days, 1 power 365 days, one only. It is almost like a dead, is almost like a dead body. A dead body means, right? What is the meaning of dead body? Means there is no use. Not increasing also, not decreasing also. Then why are you on this earth? Yeah. There are some people, they don't increase also, they don't decrease also. As a human, every day you are eating food, na? Can't you increase a little bit? Every day little improve, every day little improve. There is no requirement of doing 24/7. Every day improve little bit, improve little bit. So if you do everyday little improvement, you will increase like anything. All the great people are this category. All the great people are this category. Every day increasing little bit. All useless people are this category. Every day decreasing. There are some waste people are there who are dust. Every day, right? Same. Every day same. Whatever yesterday, today also same. Whatever day before yesterday, today also same. At the end of the year, whatever you are 1 year back, now also same. Then why are you eating everyday food? Whatever you are 1 year back, now also same, but why are you eating food every day? So I don't want this kind of category. But comparing these people, these are better. Comparing everyday decreasing people, so I think everyday same is a little better. Comparing these people, these are far better. These are far better. Remember, consistency is very important. I given the one more nice example also. Even though water drop is very negligible thing. Even though water drop is very negligible thing. Small water drop. Even though water drop is a very negligible one, small water drop, but it is falling on the stone continuously. It is falling on the stone continuously, almost like 1 year. After 1 year, if you observe, that stone is broken. Because consistently, that small water drop is hitting the stone. After 1 year, if you see, right, stone is broken. How it is possible? Consistency. With the consistency, if you do every day little bit also, it will affect a lot. In my house also, I will see, right, from the tap, there may be some loose, I don't know. So from the water tap, every day, right, every day, even though we are fitting properly, still one drop is falling, right? For 1 minute, one drop, right? 1 minute or 1 minute or 10 minutes, one water drop is falling. When I go to office, when I come back, I got to know that one bucket is full. One bucket of water is came. 10 minutes, one water drop. 10 minutes, one water drop. When I come back from office, I got to know that total bucket is full. Even though small, do every day. Even though small, do every day. Consistently you do, you will get the rank. Remember, consistency only will give rank, not other things. Consistency will give success. This is a very important one. Consistency will give success. Consistency, right? Sir, I am talented. Can I get rank? I cannot give guarantee. Sir, I am very dull student, sir. Can I get the rank? There is no guarantee. Sir, I am average student. Can I get the rank? There is no guarantee. Then what is the guarantee? Yaar? Mr. Reddy, every time you are saying no guarantee, then what is the guarantee? If you have consistency, you will get the rank. You are so talented, add consistency also. Definitely you are going to get a very top rank. You are a very ordinary student. Everyday consistency is there. You will get the rank. Your average student, every day, right, consistency is there. You are going to get nice rank. Remember, consistency can save your life. If you don't have consistency, you cannot grow in life. So Mukesh Ambani, I'm seeing from the last 30 years, is still number one. His brother is not number one. You may say that Mukesh Ambani having a lot of money, he will become a number one definitely. Then why not his brother? Why his brother is not became successful? What is the reason? There is no consistency. There is no hard work. So if you have consistency, if you have a hard work, you will be number one. Okay, fine. Fine. Let's move to next one. Very interesting problem. Do this problem also. Do this problem also. Example. Main. This is also interesting problem. I don't know how many people will give. Main. Int A is equal to 10. Float B is equal to 20.5. Char C is equal to D. Int star D is equal to ampersand A. Float star E is equal to ampersand B. Char star F is equal to ampersand B. Float star E is equal to ampersand B. Char star F is equal to ampersand C. Okay. Next one. Printf. Printf. Forget about syntax. Don't think much. Printf. Size of printf. Size of A. Size of B. Size of C. In the similar way, printf. Size of D. Size of E. Size of F. Size of F. Next one. Printf. Size of star D. Size of star E. Size of star F. End of the program. Let's try. Let's try. How many people will give answer? It is also interesting problem. Everyone try this. Remember everyone, you no need to think anything about results. You no need to think anything about the results. Just to do good work. God will protect you. It is the responsibility of God to protect good people. Remember, mark my lines. If you are doing good work, He will protect you. God is seeing from top. God is seeing from top. He is noting down everything. You are doing good work, He will note down. You are doing bad work, He will note down. For everything, karma will come back. Doing good, good only will come back. Doing bad, bad only will come back. Can you go ahead? Totally 9 statements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 statements. So this problem answer, if you can give indication that in the pointers you got clarity. This problem answer, if you can give indication that you got the clarity in pointers. So remember from tomorrow onwards, all C programming classes will be in the EPT. Almost I done 10 classes. 10 classes I done freely. 10 classes I done freely. So tomorrow onwards, all classes will be there in the EPT. If you serious, you can join the EPT. If you really serious, you can join the EPT. Sir, I am serious person, sir. You can join EPT. So these are our rankers. These are our previous rankers. Last year GATE examination, my student Avichal got All India rank 4th rank. Actually, it is a 4th rank, which is equivalent to 1st rank. Because we don't know who is the 1st ranker, we don't know who is the 2nd ranker, we don't know who is the 3rd ranker. They are only for namesake they written. They are not the students. They casually they written. Actually, is the 1st ranker. EPT, to be frank, got 1st rank last year. Even though name right physically it looked like a 4th rank, but actually is the 1st ranker, because 1st, 2nd, 3rd, they are not the students, they are some professionals. Only for namesake they written. So we got the last year almost like 4th rank, unofficially it is the 1st rank. So we got so many ranks in the previous year, not only 4th rank, so many ranks we got. And you can go for you can go for combo offers also there. If you take the full course, you will get the rank improvement course also, which is 5,000 quality problem, 5,000 tough problems, 5,000 tough problems. Video solutions are available. Test series also available. You can go for combo offer also, or you can go for the normal course also, regular course also. You can go 1 year course, foundation course 2 year course, crash course 6 months, rank improvement course 1 year, which is the practice course, mentorship also, test series also. You can do whatever you want, right? You can use the code EPT 595 ARJ. You can use this code, you will get the 70% discount if you buy any course. If you are preparing for PSUs, GATE syllabus and PSU syllabus same, you can buy this course. If you are not only one PSU, ISRO also, DRDO also, NIC also, NILET also, BARC also, all PSUs, this will work. This course will work for all PSUs. 70%. Next one, GATE plus placement course. Combinedly, 70% offer is going on. Only placement course, you can go for this. It is the best course in the India itself for the placement. Next one, for Oracle database course, backend developer, so you can take this. Full stack web development course with a DSA, this is the best course. Right. Now let me solve the answer for this problem. For our problem, let me solve the answer. I am solving the answer. Can you see everyone? Can everyone see? I am solving this. Everyone listen. Int A, memory will be created. Remember, it's an integer data purpose because there is no star. It is an integer data purpose, so 2 bytes. Next one, float B. Here also no star. It is a float. Float is 4 bytes. 2000 onwards, 4 bytes of memory will be allocated inside the 20.5. Remember, declaration purpose is creating memory. So inside C, D will store. D is a character. Address is 3000. So 1 byte. Right? Next one. So careful everyone. Int star D. It is a declaration. Don't see declaration right side. See left side. Int star D. D memory will allocate. How many bytes of memory? Remember, inside D you are storing address. Address means 8 bytes. 8 bytes of memory will be allocated. So inside that you have to store address. You are storing A address 1000. Right? That also fine. So 4 lines are completed. Now, in the similar way, this also. E, how many bytes of memory allocated? So 5000 onwards, 8 bytes of memory, because inside E you are storing again address. Inside E you are storing address. Address storing means 8 bytes. So what is the answer? Ampersand B address 2000 store. That is also okay. Next one, char star F. Again inside F you are storing address. So which address you are storing? Ampersand C address 3000 you are storing. This also completed. So now on the board, if you observe clearly, totally 6 people. Totally 6 people. A, B, C, D, E, F. Remember, A, B, C are the data variables. D, E, F are the pointer variables. Everyone try to understand. Everyone try to understand. On the board, there are 6 people. There are 6 variables. Three are data variable, 3 are pointer variable. Data variables are A, B, C. Pointer variables are D, E, F. Now understand. Now understand everyone. Everyone understand. Everyone understand. Variables. Careful everyone. Variables. Data variables. If you say variables, two types. Data variables. Pointer variables. Pointer variable. Data variable and pointer variables. Be careful, very interesting. We have 6 variables. Out of them, 3 are data variable, 3 are pointer variable. When you say data variable, listen, when you say data variable, let us assume that data variable X is assumed. Now the question is, what is size of X? Data variable X. What is size of X? Remember, size of X is based on what is the type. Size of X is based on what is the type. Suppose assume X is into size of int is 2 bytes. Suppose X is float, but remember it is a data variable. They are data variable, right? X is float. Size of float is 4 bytes. X is char. X is char. Size of char is 1 byte. When you say it is a data variable, the immediate question is, what is the size? What is the size of X? If X type is integer, 2 bytes. X type is float, 4 bytes. X type is char, 1 byte. Now see the beauty. Everyone listen. Pointer variable X. Everyone observe. Pointer variable X. Understand. What is size of X? Can anyone guess? What is the answer? Pointer variable X. Okay. Pointer variable X. What is size of X? Anyone can give answer. Can anyone give answer? What is size of X? Variables are 2 types. Data variable, pointer variable. Whenever it is a data variable, let us assume the data variable X. What is size of X? It depending upon X type. If X type is integer 2 byte, X type is float 4 bytes, X type is char 1 byte. If it is a pointer variable, assume that X is a pointer variable. What is size of X? Remember, if it is a pointer variable, size of any pointer variable, 8 bytes. 8 bytes. Size of any pointer variable, 8 bytes. It doesn't matter which type. Pointer variable type doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, it is address only. At the end of the day, it is address only. Pointer variable X. Then what is size of X? Then what is size of X? Answer is 8 bytes. Right? Doesn't matter. Type doesn't matter. Type doesn't matter. Here type matter. X type. Type matters. When you say it is a pointer variable, which type doesn't matter. Size is doesn't matter, which is 8 bytes. Okay, I think you got some clarity. Come here. You will get more clarity here. Can you see? On the board, there are 6 variables. Everyone observe. On the board, there are 6 variables. Names are A, B, C, D, E, F. But remember, names are A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. But A, B, C are data variable. D, E, F are pointer variable. These are data variable. These are pointer variable. What are the data variable size? Depending upon type. If the data variable is integer person, 2 bytes. If the data variable is float person, 4 bytes. If the data variable is char person, 1 byte. So next one, if the variables are pointer variable, right? What is the size of a pointer variable? It doesn't matter which type, because everyone internally contain address only. Right? Address means 8 bytes. Now, I think to get the clarity, you will get now. Can you see this one? Size of A. What is the answer? A is A. I think a data variable. Size of A, integer, 2 bytes. Size of B. B also data variable. I think B means float, 4 bytes. Size of C. C is also a data variable. Size of C, 1 byte. 241. 241. Now come to the second one. Can you come to the second one? Very interesting. Very interesting. Size of D. D is a pointer variable. Size of any pointer variable, 8 bytes. Size of E, pointer variable, 8 bytes. Size of F, pointer variable, 8 bytes. Size of a pointer variable, 8 bytes. Size of a pointer variable, 8 bytes. Now understand, and everyone understand what is D. Forget about size function. Everyone observe. It is going to be very tricky one. Variable means inside. What is D? Give answer properly. Variable means inside. What is D? I think D means 1000 or not. Okay, D is a pointer variable. Okay, but variable means inside or outside? Variable means inside or outside? Variable means inside or outside? Inside. Yeah. So now see, whenever I say D, variable means inside. Whenever I will say D, 1000. Can you help me know what is star 1000? The value inside 1000, 10. Size of 10. Remember, this 10 is a integer data. 2 bytes. Next one, what is E? Everyone observe. What is E? 2000. What is star 2000? The value inside 2000. Inside 2000, 20.5 there. Size of float data. It is a data, 4 bytes. What is F? Variable means inside 3000. What is star 3000? The value inside 3000. D, which is a character. Size of character data. 1. So answer is 241. So what I mean to say is last printf is via pointer is accessing the data. Finally is accessing the data. Size of data based on which type. So what the last printf statement saying is, with the help of pointer, they are accessing data. When you say data, size of data is based on what is the type. Size of integer, 2 bytes. Size of float, 4 bytes. Size of char, 1 byte. Right? So size of any pointer, 8 bytes. Size of any data, no. Size of data based on type. Size of integer, 2 bytes. Size of char, 1. Size of float, 4. That's okay. Size of any pointer, 8 bytes. Next one. Using pointer, you can access data. So D 1000, star 1000, 10. So 10 is the integer. Size of integer, 2 bytes. E 2000, star E, the value inside 2000, 20.5. 20.5 is a float. Size of float, 4 bytes. So F is 3000, star 3000, which is a D, character. Size of char, 1 byte, 241. 241. Are you comfortable with this? Are you comfortable with this? Are you comfortable with this? Bro, are you comfortable? Yes. Are you comfortable? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So remember, this diagram is very, very important. This diagram is very, very important. This diagram is very, very important. Please be careful. Be careful. Now, can you help me? In this only, can you help me? In this only, I am writing one thing. What is size of star x? What is the answer? Can you say star x will give data or not? Size of star x. Star x means data or not? Data. Now if I ask you, size of data, type important, type matters. Am I right? Am I right? Size of star x means data. Size of data. When you say size of data, type needed. See, size of data, type needed. If it is integer, 2 bytes, char 1 byte, float 1 byte. If it is integer, 2 byte, float 4 bytes, char 1 byte. Okay? Okay? This is very, very important one. This is very, very important one. This is very, very important. Okay? Fine. Fine. So, tomorrow what? Tomorrow Saturday or Sunday? Tomorrow Saturday or Friday? Bro, can you say tomorrow? Tomorrow Friday? Yeah, then tomorrow also you have one class. Tomorrow also on the YouTube. Tomorrow also class on the YouTube. Tomorrow also class on YouTube. I have planned like until Friday on YouTube. Tomorrow also class on YouTube. Tomorrow also class on YouTube. Right. So iron, right? Iron. So C programming from Monday. C programming from Monday. C programming from Monday on EPT. 6, right? 6, right? Remember, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Is it okay? C programming from Monday on EPT, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Is it okay? Let me know. So at what time you want? Let me know at what time you want. Let me know at what time. Because almost CN is completed. 1 or 2 classes are there. CN is 1 or 2 classes are there. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, CN will be over. Right? Work hard. Iron, work hard. Iron, work hard. These 6 months or 7 months, work hard. Yeah, that is the reason. That is the reason. Morning will be very good. C programming Monday onwards, EPT 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Right? Because CN is over. Tomorrow it will be over. CN will be over tomorrow. Right? So I think Monday onwards, we can go in the EPT 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Right? Tomorrow also, right? Tomorrow also right? C programming is there on the YouTube, right? So tomorrow we'll see the remaining problems. If anyone is not joined, you can join. So last time I'm saying to you, from next month onward, there is no new batch. Yes, Ian, you can start. EPT 595 ARJ. You can join. You will get the 70% discount. If you serious, you can join. If you serious, you can join. You can go for 1 year course, 2 year course, or combo course, RIC course, test series, whatever you want. All the things, whatever needed to you, we kept. All the things, whatever needed to you, we kept. Fine. Thanks everyone. Small doubt also there. You can WhatsApp me. Reddy sir, I have this problem. Reddy sir, I have this problem. You ask me, I will help you. Reddy sir, I have this problem. You ask me, I will help you. Thank you, Ian. Thank you. Not only enrolling. Ian, you have to study a lot. Not only enrolling. Ian, every day work like this. Whatever way you are working now, every day work like that. Whatever way you are working now, work every day like this. Then you are going to get a very nice rank. Thanks for enrolling. But every day work like this. Every day work like this, you are going to get a very nice rank. Right? Fine. Every day little bit more. Every day little bit more. Every day little bit more. If you do, you are going to get finally nice rank. Yeah. Thank you so much. All the best. Thank you so much. All the best. Yeah. Good night. Good night, everyone.